In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower car insurance with Progressive. The first thing to do is go to Progressive and review your current policy carefully. This is an important starting point because you need to understand exactly what you're paying for before making any changes. Take a close look at your coverages, your deductibles, and any optional add-ons included in the policy. By reviewing each part, you may spot areas where you're paying for coverage you no longer need, or features that could be adjusted to better match your current situation. Next, ask about available discounts. This can be one of the easiest ways to reduce your premium without changing your core protection. Check whether you qualify for savings such as a multi-policy discount, a multi-vehicle discount, a safe driver discount, or a good student discount. You may also find discounts for being a homeowner, enrolling in paperless billing, or setting up automatic payments. Even small discounts can add up, so it's worth reviewing every option available. Another strategy is to increase your deductible. In many cases, choosing a higher deductible can lower your monthly or overall premium. However, it's important to make sure the deductible still fits your budget. If you ever need to file a claim, you'll be responsible for that out-of-pocket amount first, so the goal is to save on premiums without creating financial stress later. You should also adjust your coverage if it makes sense for your vehicle. For example, if you drive an older car, you may want to think about whether comprehensive or collision coverage is still worth the cost. The value of the vehicle can help guide this decision. If the car is worth less than what you're paying to insure it fully, reducing certain coverages may be a practical way to lower your insurance bill. Another helpful option is enrolling in a usage-based driving program. Progressive offers Snapshot, which may provide savings for drivers who show safe driving habits. If you're a careful driver and feel confident in your driving patterns, this can be a useful way to earn a lower rate based on how you actually drive. Over time, maintaining a clean driving record is also one of the most effective ways to keep insurance costs down. Avoiding accidents and traffic violations can make a big difference in what you pay, and safe driving often leads to better rates in the long run. Finally, compare your policy at each